Welcome to Fillable Document. We are thrilled to introduce an extraordinary document generation tool. Fillable Document is a comprehensive document workflow automation solution designed exclusively for Google Workspace. With our innovative platform, you can effortlessly visualize your data and capture all your information with ease. Our advanced features enable you to generate professional quality documents and seamlessly deliver them to your intended recipients. Experience the power of Fillable Document and revolutionize your document management process. Now let's get started in set up the Fillable Document. Now, let me choose a Google Slides template available in the store to create a fillable form. For example, let's select the certificate slide template. Introduce dynamic fields to transform your document into an interactive fillable form. There are two types of dynamic fields available: $curly brackets and double curly brackets. Let's customize the school name using dynamic fields. This way, you can generate certificates for different school students. You can also utilize dynamic fields for the name of the participant, quiz name, and date. With these dynamic fields in place, your slide template is now ready to become a fully fillable slide. You can apply this approach to all Google Slides templates. Let's open the Fillable Slide add-on from the extensions for the slide template. When you open the Fillable Document for the first time, a setup page will be displayed. You will see two options: Start Setup and Try Demo. Choose Try Demo to access our pre-prepared sample template data, which can be used to create a fillable document. Select a template and confirm to append the sample data to your current template. Feel free to explore and utilize our templates as needed. Now, let's focus on the Start Setup option. Click on Start Setup, and you will be presented with two options: Automatic Setup and Manual Setup. For the manual setup, we will go through the steps one by one, allowing you to choose the setup destination spreadsheet and folder and perform any necessary steps. However, for now, let's choose Automatic Setup. This option will complete all the steps automatically for you. Automatic Setup is completed. Just explore now. Now, Fillable Document identifies your dynamic fields as fillable fields. It intelligently recognizes the field types you have, such as date, text, and more. You have a variety of options to configure the fields. To edit a field, simply choose the field you want to modify and save the changes. Alternatively, you can click on Create New Field to generate a dynamic field. Provide a field name and options, and save it. Then, you'll be prompted with the question: do you want to add this field to the document? Simply position your cursor where you want the field, confirm with Yes, and it will be appended to your document. In addition to editing and creating fields, you can also perform other actions such as searching, cloning, deleting, refreshing, and reorder fields. These extraordinary features provide extensive customization for your form fields. Let's explore the Document Template section. Click on the Menu option and go to Document Templates. You can add templates by clicking Add Template and choosing a doc, slide, or sheet format. Delete templates using the Delete icon. Open the template. By default, Templates are generated in both document and PDF formats. If you want more formats, select the desired file format for generating it. However, native Google document formats like Doc, Sheet, and Slide cannot have their format changed. To share the generated document, click the Share icon, provide the recipient's email, and select the desired permission. This allows for easy document sharing after it's generated. Remember to save your template changes after making edits. Now, let's proceed to the Storage section. Click on the menu option and go to Storage. Here, you can make configurations to suit your preferences if needed. In the Data Storage settings, you can modify the spreadsheet name where all the data will be stored. On the File Store page, you have the flexibility to choose a different folder or create a new folder where the generated documents will be stored. If you wish to modify the format of the generated document names, click the three-dot icon and select the fields to include in the document name. By default, the setup includes the template name, date, and time. Let's now move to the Email section. In the Email section, you'll find a default email template for sending messages to recipients. Edit the template by clicking on the Edit icon and make changes to the template name, from name, and recipient's email address according to your preferences. You can include the generated attachments in the email. Use Add Drive File Attachment to select files from your Google Drive as static attachments. You can also clone the email template and delete email templates and add the email template as needed. Let's explore the Collaborators section. Just click the menu, go to Collaborators, click Add icon, enter the email address, and add the user as a collaborator. To remove a user, click the Delete icon. As the author, you can invite users via email to collaborate. They'll have access to the fillable document and its settings to make necessary adjustments. Enhance collaboration by adding users as collaborators. Now that all configurations are completed, launch the fillable form by clicking Open Web App. Fill in the respective fields such as the certificate number, school name, name of the participant, quiz name, and date. Save and generate the document, which may take a moment. Congratulations on successfully generating your document. Access it by clicking the provided link. To send the generated documents via email, access the email template by clicking Send as Email. Choose the desired template and send it by Send Selected Emails. You can also send individual emails by selecting specific ones. The email has been successfully delivered. Check your Gmail inbox to view the message and attachments. Click on the links or attachments to access and review them. Well done on generating fillable forms and sending them in different formats via email. After generating and sending the documents, you can access the fillable form details and view the generated documents in the Form Responses section. Just click on Form Responses and move to that page. Use the search function to find specific forms. Select multiple desired documents and click Open Selected to generate them together. Enable merging of documents to create a single file if needed. Click the sheet icon to see the responses as a sheet. Click on Field Settings to customize the table by selecting the fields you want to include in the response table. You'll find columns for actions and generated links. You can edit, send via email, clone, and delete a response. Clicking on the generated document icon allows you to view the respective document. In the previous sections, we covered how to generate and deliver documents and view form responses. Now, let's explore how to publish your fillable form and make it accessible to others. Click on Publish Settings to begin. If you haven't published your document yet, click Publish Your Document to customize the publishing form. You'll receive a Publish Form link to share with end users. If you prefer a plain form without your template, click Show the Plain Form link to obtain the link. You can also send the Publish form via email and have the option to embed it on your website. In the Publish Settings section, manage document generation and email sending when submitting the form. Customize email settings, the form button label and tooltip, and the message displayed after form submission. You can download the generated document formats. Select Submit New Response to allow users to submit multiple responses. Specify a website URL for redirection. In the Branding option, you can customize the toolbar for your Publish form. In the Payment section, you can accept payment on form submission. Customize the form further with the Visualize option. In Audience Control, manage user access by requiring sign-in, allowing anyone to access, or restricting access based on email addresses or domains. Specify the number of times the form can be accessed. Finally, save the Publish form settings. When opening the form, please fill in the fields. Once the form is properly filled out, please go ahead and submit the published form. It may take a few moments to process. The form has been successfully submitted. The certificate fillable slide is given in the description. Kindly check it and feel free to use it. If you have any comments or questions, please share them below. We value your feedback. We hope you enjoy the fillable form experience. Thank you for watching this video.